This is just an incredible deal. You look at the list of names here. You got Bart Garnsey, Peter Wright, Peter Bristow, Jack Morrow, Ronnie Hamlin, James Barnes, Bobby Brown, Roy Merritt, Alan Merritt. Alan Merritt's here. I can't even name everyone. It's the crowd of cast of characters from all around the world. This is a really special deal because I just can't believe I'm here to be a part of it. It's just incredible. And it's going to be a lot of fun. And I think I said before to someone, whenever the circus comes to town, there's a ringleader. And for Skip to put all this together, he's done an unbelievable job. And very few people could pull this together, but Skip's done a heck of a deal. And we're pretty excited about today. This is one of the highlights of my career, to be on this deal for sure. It's a great deal.
Load them up, ready to go, and watch these guys try to fish.
You take a group like this, you know you're going to have some kind of trouble.
Great trip, unbelievable. A lot of great folks, great stories, and you just couldn't put this together ever again. I don't know how it could be any better. Great day on the water, great boat, unbelievable cast of characters, that's for sure. Awesome day.
You could go a million years and never get this many captains and crews and good people together at one time. There's probably more stories that could be told here today than in any other time that I've ever been around fishing.
Wonderful. It was flat, calm, 76, and sunny.
Old timers, fishing trip, sugar bouncing.
We made it back to the dock. That's always a successful day anywhere, with fish or without fish, but we did it with fish, so it was an awesome day.